Stanley, what happened? Are you okay, bud? Oh, you were monkeying around and you slipped on a banana peel? Dude. Hey guys, Amanda here with eBike Reviews and Adventures, and today I wanted to make a short video talking about one of the most essential accessories that you can have with you, and it fits on any e-bike and any e-trike. Guys, I'm talking about a first aid kit. You can get a small one like the one that Stanley is holding right here, or you can get one of these from Walmart, Walgreens, Publix, Amazon. It doesn't matter, you can get any size with any type of first aid kit stuff that you could possibly need when you're out riding. Now, if you guys have been watching our YouTube channel for a while, you know that sometimes we get injuries. And we don't always have these first aid kits for ourselves. These are for the people around us in case something were to happen. And we have had some injuries when we've gone on those group rides. So it is so important that you have this essential safety accessory on your bike or on your trike at all times, even if you're just going for a short ride. This is an instant cold compress. It has instructions on the back. This is something that I absolutely would need because in this Florida heat, I overheat and I get lightheaded. It's nice to have one of these so that I can just stick it on the back of my neck and cool down a little bit. And I also drink plenty of water. We've got plenty of Band-Aids in here. We have gloves, gauze, Q-tips. I feel like these would be perfect for if you get scraped or scratched, you get a little dirt in your wound, you can take a Q-tip and, you know, maybe scrape some of the dirt out of that injury. We have tweezers. You can use the tweezers for maybe you get a splinter. There's all sorts of stuff in these first aid kits, antiseptic wipes, first aid burn creams, all sorts of Band-Aids in different sizes. There's even safety pins and tape for if you need to perform surgery, I guess, when you're out in the middle of nowhere. But guys, this is just a short little video to remind you guys that it is important to get some kind of first aid kit. This is my personal first aid kit. We also have a little one that's got some Band-Aids and Neosporin in it for just a little simple injuries. But injuries do happen, and we want you guys to stay safe. So it's just a little reminder of something that you should always have on your bike, and it fits on every bike. So guys, if you like this short little video, give me a big old thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe because we've got all sorts of content for everybody. And please make sure that you hit the little bell so you get all the notifications. Guys, ride responsibly and ride safe. I'll see you in the next video.